In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Google Chrome flags. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click in the address bar at the top of the browser window. In the address bar, type Chrome/flags, then press Enter on your keyboard. When the page opens, you will see a warning message explaining that these experimental features may change, stop working, or cause unexpected behavior. At the top of the Chrome flags page, you will find a search bar. This search bar makes it much easier to locate a specific feature instead of scrolling through the full list manually. Click into that search bar and type the name or a related keyword for the flag you want to try. Once you find the feature you are looking for, take a moment to read its name and short description carefully. This can help you confirm that you are selecting the correct option. Since flags often control advanced browser behavior, it is best to make sure you understand what the feature is designed to do before changing it. If you are testing multiple flags, it can also help to search for them one at a time so you stay organized and avoid changing the wrong setting. This keeps the process simple and makes it easier to track what you have adjusted. That covers everything you need to know.